Cleaning crowded teeth. Do you find it difficult to clean your teeth if they are in irregular positions? Have you ever had gum inflammation or tooth decay because you failed to remove dental plaque thoroughly? Is there any way to clean the teeth thoroughly? First, let's look at the problem we may encounter when cleaning teeth in irregular positions. As shown in the diagram, a toothbrush cannot reach the overlapping or indented teeth. Another common problem is related to impacted wisdom teeth, where the teeth grow slanted or horizontally, leaving a big gap between the impacted wisdom tooth and the tooth in front. Dental plaque accumulates there and cannot be thoroughly cleaned as usual. Cleaning aids and methods of use. There are many dental cleaning aids such as single tuft toothbrush, dental floss, and interdental brush in the market, which are very useful in cleaning teeth in irregular positions. Let's see how to use a single tuft toothbrush. A single tuft toothbrush has a much smaller head than a conventional toothbrush, with only a bunch of bristles. It is used to clean the areas that are difficult to be reached by a conventional toothbrush. However, it is not that easy to buy a single tuft toothbrush. We can modify the toothbrush of a child to have a similar effect as a single tuft toothbrush. As shown in the diagram, using a single tuft toothbrush is very simple. Just place the bristles as close to the gum margin as possible and brush gently. Regarding the use of dental floss and an interdental brush, please refer to the sections on flossing technique and using interdental brush. You need to have more practice until you can master the skills of using these cleaning aids to achieve good oral hygiene. Dentists are pleased to give you professional instruction on how to improve your oral health care techniques. However, it is very important that you develop the daily oral care habits yourself.